Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. So today we're going to explore the stable diffusion and its application in web UI design. But first of all, what stable diffusion actually is. So stable diffusion is an advanced deep learning model capable of generating the high quality images, and it is trained on a vast amount of data set to learn how to create accurate visuals based on the text descriptions. So, in simple words, you just type the thing that you want this AI to generate, and then based on its learning, it automatically generates a new image that really doesn't exist in the real life. Now, there are two major applications to use this stable diffusion. First one is the web UI, and the second one is comfy UI. So, what is the difference between both of them? So web UI refers to web user interface design, which involves the visuals and interactive elements provided on the web pages. And the web UI is most easy and the user-friendly interface, especially for the beginners who are just trying to learn the stable diffusion. And on the other hand, comfy UI is a tool that helps designers quickly build and prototype web interfaces. And this is a little bit complicated for the beginners because it works on a nodes. So that's why the web UI is the best option for the beginners. So till now we know that what stable diffusion is and what it is capable of. But what are the real life use cases of this AI? So because this is a text to image model, so you can generate literally anything that you want. Like you can generate the game characters, game assets, and if you are into animation, you can generate cartoon characters, you can generate the cartoon environments, and you can even use this tool for the architectural designs. And the most fun use is that you can even generate the virtual models using this AI tool. Like if you have your store and you cannot afford the Photoshop and the real life models, you can generate the virtual models and then you can even put on your custom dresses on those models seamlessly. So there are a lot of real life use cases of this AI tool. These are just the examples. So why to choose stable diffusion? Because this is not the only text to image tool. So we choose the stable diffusion because this is free and this is open source. That means you can use this tool even on your local computer and it doesn't cost you any money for that. And then the second thing is its image quality, and it can run your job very quickly. And not only this, the amount of controllability and flexibility that this AI tool provides you cannot find in any other tool. Like you can literally change any part of your image even after generating your image, and this thing leads you to the precise image generation. So now we know why we should use stable diffusion and what are its capabilities. Now the next question is how to easily start using stable diffusion. So the system requirements for the stable diffusion may vary depending on few factors, but in its initial release, stable diffusion demanded the 16 GB of RAM and NVIDIA graphic cards with at least 10 GB of VRAM. So as I mentioned earlier that the specs may vary depending on few factors, but these are the base requirements to use this model. But if you don't have these high-end specs, I have a solution for you that I'm gonna tell you later in the video. But first of all, let's see how you guys can download this model. So first of all, you need to install the Git, and here's the link. And you can easily download this by clicking on this download button. And next you need to install the Python. So you can go ahead to this link and you can download the latest version of Python. Now, once you have installed both of these files, now you are ready to install the most popular fork of Stable Diffusion, that is Web UI. Now, so far it looks very complicated, and actually it is complicated. But here is the solution if you don't have any high-end GPU and you don't want to go through this complex process. So in this case, you can use Mimic PC. So Mimic PC provides you a cloud service that enables users to launch Stable Diffusion with just single click. So this is the website URL of Mimic PC. Now to access this, you just have to click on this free launch button. And then you will have this interface in front of you. And here you can see we have every single Stable Diffusion interface and you can run each of them with just a single click. But we're only gonna use the automatic 1111. So click on that and hit create and start. And then this will start downloading all of the necessary requirements. And here we have automatic 1111 web UI interface in front of us. And it offers a lot of different things like text to image to image, and a lot of other things. But just to kickstart, we're gonna use the text to image. So let's try generating something like a cat wearing hat and black tuxedo, and then hit generate button. And you guys can see it generated the image so quickly and in a real time. And here is the final image, and look at that. Now our cat is wearing the hat and black tuxedo. And this image really doesn't exist in our real life. So this was just a simple example. There are millions of possibilities. It all depends on your imagination and your creativity. So I hope now you have a deeper understanding of this Stable Diffusion and its web UI design. So go ahead and try creating your work, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.